everyone, it's Nikki. In my previous video, I showed you how you could make your own Every Child Matters t-shirt using HTV. This video will show you how you can do it with the DTF Hack. It is also a test at the same time on how I can reduce wheel lines on my DTF printing sheets. So it's kind of like a double tutorial. I won't be showing you all the steps of putting the powder on and melting the powder, etc. But I'm just going to give a quick recap of the results and a comparison at the end with just using regular vinyl. So stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so on the last couple times that I've tried different settings, I'm still getting the wheel lines. So this time I didn't get wheel lines anywhere, and what I finally set it to was photo paper glossy, saturation 8, and I have used draft so that it won't put as much ink out. Okay, so I'm about to cure the powder onto the image now. So basically I've already put the powder on my image that I printed out on draft mode. I do have another video coming out soon with the whole process of putting the powder on and how to do everything with the printing. This is just a quick video to show you the results of using draft mode. So now the powder's been melted onto the image and I've cut it out, and we are about to press it on the shirt. Okay, let's quickly do this one now that I printed on draft print. You can see that there's not as much ink on here, so there is going to be some orange coming through having used the draft print. So I just got to center this now and then put it in. Okay, cool to touch. Let's pull it off. Comes off really nicely. It looks okay, but kind of has a glitter effect to it because of the fact that I did use it on draft print, so it didn't have quite as much ink as I would have liked. But you can kind of see up close that you can see a little bit of the orange through because of the very light coating of ink. So in conclusion, I think this looks nice. I actually kind of like how it kind of has the speckled effect to it, as opposed to when I had it on high printing, and it had, I don't know if you can see in here, but there's these big lines going through the images. At the bottom there you can see them, and then it comes off the page too, which you don't want that in your design. So draft printing worked. My experimenting may or may not be helping you, but if it does, well, I hope it does. That's all I can say, is because maybe it'll save you guys some time, or you may decide that maybe trying this DTF printing is not for you. And here's a side-by-side comparison for you with HTV vinyl, how it worked. In my other tutorial, I show the full thing of making this one and weeding it. But it does take some effort to weed all these parts out, which is why I was hoping for the DTF sublimation, because all I had to do was print it and not weed it. And you can definitely see that this one is a lot blacker. But again, I did print this on draft mode, trying to reduce the lines. This one was the biggest I could print it on the 8.5 by 11 DTF sheets. So this one here, I was able to do a lot bigger because I did it by cutting out vinyl on my Cricut machine, which I was able to do. It was just over 10 inches. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.